Technique number 7 is elbow escape. The objective of the elbow escape is to reverse the position back to guard. The immediate danger you must be aware of are punches to your face and head. Using the leverage in your hips, hip out to one side. As you wedge your elbow on the inside of one of his knees, you will use the leverage of your hips and legs and hip out to the side opposite the elbow that is wedged inside his knee. This will create some space between you and your opponent. As this space is created, you will pull your knee in toward the elbow you used to base off of his knee and plant your foot on the ground. As you plant your foot on the ground, you will then hip out to the other side, and again pulling your knee toward his chest. You will clear your foot around his body and cross your legs at the ankles behind him. This will put him back into guard position. Common mistakes. The first common mistake is you trying to use upper body strength with your arms instead of using the hips as leverage to separate your opponent's knees and create space. The second most common mistake is trying to hip out without being prepared to draw a knee up and through to catch him in half guard. And the third most common mistake is getting trapped on the ground after catching half guard. Technique number 8 is the scissor sweep. The objective of the scissor sweep is for you to reverse your position from having your opponent in your guard and sweeping him so you'll end up in the mounted position. Your immediate danger is your opponent passing your guard. To perform this technique, you will need to control his collar with your right hand and also control his right sleeve with your left hand. You then drag your right knee across his belly, hooking your right foot on his left hip. Move his weight forward and then pull him forward toward you and scissor your legs to reverse him. You will sweep him and follow him to the mounted position. Common mistakes. First common mistake is you use incorrect grips and hand positions. Second common mistake is staying flat on your back instead of working more from your side. The third common mistake is working too hard using strength instead of using your opponent's body momentum and leverage to reverse him with this sweep. Technique